to another installment of Marking Time in Alliance, a series of programs in which we visit various historical markers and other historical and interesting sites in and around the city of Alliance, Ohio. I'm your host, Jim Perrone, and today we're visiting Kidwell Lake. Edgar E. Kidwell was the Alliance Park System's best friend. Born July 26, 1893 in Fulton, Ohio, Kidwell came to Alliance in 1921 and remained here for the next 64 years. Beginning in December 1923, Kidwell served as the Alliance Park Superintendent. During his 45 years in this position, he was instrumental in developing the Alliance Park System into what it is today. To honor Kidwell for his lengthy tenure and dedication to the park system, Silver Parks Lake was officially named Kidwell Lake in 1980, with a formal dedication taking place on May 24, 1981. Kidwell sited and built the lake and planted many of the now large trees that surround the lake. Speaking during the dedication ceremony was Representative Ralph Regula, who recalled spending time during his Mount Union College years courting Mary in the park near the lake. On the little island stands La Brezza, a cast lead statue placed there in 1988 by the Alliance Area Garden Center, a consortium of Alliance garden clubs. La Brezza, which means the breeze, depicts a small girl with arms outstretched to welcome nature. It was created by Florentine craftsmen of New York. Helen Morris and her daughter Sarah Brown selected the statue to honor Edgar Kidwell. A brass plaque on the shoreline shares the sentiment, "Be a child at heart." La Brezza has endured her share of damage and repairs over the years. She has traveled back and forth to shore by rowboat several times. The first for a little surgery at the foundry to repair broken ankles and fingers caused by vandals, and more recently for cosmetic surgery by her adopted guardian, Sarah Brown. As reported in the Alliance Review of May 13, 2006, La Brezza had lost her bluish patina due to time and the elements. Ms. Brown refurbished the little statue's patina using skills she learned while working on a statue from her own garden. La Brezza now winters in the Parks Department storage and makes her annual return to the island by rowboat so that all can enjoy her carefree spirit while being a child at heart. Thanks for joining us for this installment of Marking Time in Alliance on our visit to Kidwell Lake. We'll see you next time on Down the Road.